Hi guys, I hope your first week of the classes went well and you are ready for starting the second week. Today I'm going to talk about chapter one. So let me just share my screen. My goodness, I'm assuming you are seeing the other screen that you shouldn't see. Um, That's funny. I do have like two monitors, and sometimes, especially during like Zoom or WebEx, it's just very hard to just figure out like which one gonna work better. Um, so yeah, I mean the luxury of having two monitors. So I'm not flexing, I'm just trying to tell you why it might happen. But yes, it's ready. So today we're going to talk about chapter one, which is about what is health psychology. That's a very good question. The outline of this chapter gonna be about definition of health psychology. It's gonna be about mind and body relationship. We're gonna talk a bit about the history of that. Okay, it's very funny and interesting. Then we're going to talk about the rise of biopsychosocial methods and the need for health psychology, and in general, what kind of research we're going to do in health psychology, and what is actually health psychology training is good for. So, what is health psychology? That is the first question, and you should know a lot about this. It's all about how people stay healthy and how they are becoming sick and how they actually responding to that sickness or being ill. But when it comes to just being sick or ill, the question is like what kind of illness? The answer is here. Any sort of illness in physical, mental, and social well-being is very important because the way we're gonna actually define health, it's gonna be a complete state of physical, mental, and social well-being. Just look at this part. You can see like three different parts or a triangle for health. So keep that in your mind whenever you are talking about being healthy or being sick. You should consider like what aspect of sickness or health we are referring to. Are we talking about physical health, for example, having or not having cancer, versus a mental illness, having or not having anxiety, or social illness, being isolated or not being able to communicate with people in a good way. And whenever we are talking about wellness, the true definition for that, it's going to be optimum state of health, like the top part of being healthy in like all of these aspects, physical, mental, and social. That is it for section one. I'm going to talk a lot more in section two.